Day number 70 of trying to get all Buffalo Bills in 1 minute. Come on, Bills. I said this in my other video. If you guys have watched my day in the life videos, my voice, I don't know. I just have a little cold going on. All right, Bills. So, I'm sorry. I'll try not to talk as much. Let's go. Oh my. This is not good, guys. We haven't gotten that close recently. But we will not be discouraged. We will not give up. Last but not least, go Bills.